Welcome to our virtual tour. Affordable up-north hunting, fishing and snowmobiling property surrounded by the Pere Marquette State Forest. This 3-bedroom, 1-bath 1,200 square foot manufactured single-wide home, with a stick-built addition, makes the perfect getaway spot, after you provide some much-needed renovations. There are numerous outbuildings on this property for your storage needs. This home is located on 5 level wooded acres in Crystal Woods. It is only 7 minutes from Crystal Mountain and close to Bear Lake, snowmobile trails and fishing on Bear Creek, Montesty River and Betsy Rivers. Enjoy your virtual tour.